Hi, boys and girls. Go ahead and write your name at the top of your paper. So you should be pretty much experts by now on how to do these 10 frames and use them to help you subtract. So I'm just going to go through this with you. We start with 6 and we cross off 5. How many are left? 1. Okay. Let's do the next one. We start with 8. And we cross off 4. And how many are left? 4. Next we do 10. So all 10 are going to have a dot. And then we cross off 2. And once we cross off 2, how many are left? It's 8. Okay, next one. We do 10. And then we cross off 7. We have 3 left. You can also think of those as backwards 10 friends, because 2 and 8 are 10 friends, and 7 and 3 are 10 friends. Okay, next one we have 9. And then we cross off 8. How many are left? We have 1. Good. Next one we have 7. We cross off 6. And how many are left? 1. On the next 10 frame we have 5. We cross off 3. And there's 2 left. Next we have 4. Take away 2, and 2 are left. The next problem says 8 minus 6. So we start with 8. We take away 6. And that leaves 2. And then our last one on this side, 6. We take away 3. And how many are left? We have 3. Good. Go ahead and turn your paper over. And we're going to do the same thing on this side. But what I want you to do is give this a try. And then, so you're going to push pause and give it a try. And then correct it with mine. So go ahead and push pause and then push play when you are finished. So 7 minus 3 is 4. Did you get it? The next one has 9. Take away 6 leaves you with 3. Next one you could do 6 minus 1 equals 5. And then we have 10 minus 2 equals 8. Seven. And we're going to take away all 7. That equals 0. 5. Take away 3 is 2. away 5 is 4. 8. Take away 2 leaves you with 6. 7 minus 6 equals 1. And did you see the 10 friends on the last one? We have 10 minus 8 is 2. Good job with your 10 frames, learning how to subtract using 10 frames this week. Hopefully it's making a little bit more sense. And turn it into your teacher and do what she would have you do next.